Where are you going, Kai? Oh, here's the celebrant. Ah, yeah? Okay. Say happy birthday.
Ready?
Niya.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Sister Ate Nina.
Hi, everybody.
She's turning 18 this year.
So we're, yeah. Oh no! So, come on, go ahead. No, you have to. You're having wish to Ate Nina.
Oh,
What are you gonna say?
how do you feel being turning 18?
Me? Not good, because that just means I'm getting old. But that also means I'm becoming close to being an adult, which I don't want. But yeah, I'm excited.
So, what is your wish, Kai? To Ate Nina? Yeah. What about Tiana?
Hi! My wish for you is just enjoy being 18. It's don't pressure yourself actually. And explore being 18 and enjoy being 18. You said that already. Enjoy being
So guys, you're watching Just Vlog 1, guys. It's my daughter's 18th birthday, my second child.
Just chicken.
So,
Just chicken.
yeah.
We got
Jessica,
just chicken
we
in
just
the
are,
oven.
yeah? Isn't it just chicken in the house, in the oven?
just
No, just
chicken.
forget that. One thing for you
Just
guys.
chicken.
Jessica, remember ang ato ang just chicken. So, see you, watch out guys sa store opening. So, maybe 100 years from now. Oh no!
What's next is
I wanna eat.
Oh, we wanna eat, everybody? Okay, so let's take picture. So, see you in a bit.
Just vlog 1. See you in a bit, guys. Bye.
Woohoo!
May pagkata na You're gonna be in the middle. Guys,
Yes,
this too.
si Commander guys. Busy pa guys. Oh no! Kay ano yan? Kay Ana? Yan, gawa niya yan.
Yan ang tawag niya.
Anong tanso?
Kainan na sila guys. So, kakain na rin ako. gutom na. Oh, wala pa akong pananghalian. Ito lang guys. Ito yung birthday restriction ng 18 years old dito.
So guys, this is a from my sister. They're going to cut her cake. So let's go.
Wow, niya.
Wow! Ano yan kay? What is that kay? Ha? Asa tinin niya? How much? Ha? Ninong ninang guys.
Oh, mapira si Ninong ah. Lumabas
Kay Ninong, Ninong.
Ninong.
Where's the knife kay? Kay, unsa hibaw mas dudlo kay? Galuya man ano? Matamlay man ang badi-badi ko sa vlog namin. Mata. Wait, birthday mo sa ano, March?
Oh, sabay na lang kayong dalawa.
Wait, huwag ka magalala. You have cake too.
Ken, magpila siya. Kasi siya 1, si Chris 20.
Okay?
I don't know.
I don't know what to say. What?
Saan ako na kanan?
Oh, yeah.
Like fun? Okay.
Para matitikman natin.
Wow, soft lagi siya.
Wow.
Kapan? Kaligo pa na. Vanilla.
What? Is that chocolate? Huh?
Vanilla. Okay, that's yours, okay?
Wait, what?
What? What?
That's okay. Go pa, ano lang.
What? What?
Hi guys. Today we are going to open our gifts. My sister, I think my sister can open a gift because I think
Oh, gift opening? Huh?
yeah.
Okay.
Maybe because my mom and dad are friends of
All right. Yeah. Yeah.
So she's happy. So we
Mm.
want to open it.
Mm. All right. The birthday celebrant, guys, washing the dishes. That's her first,
Celebration in this house.
no, first duty. Mantikaon sa unang gasan niya, karon. Hindi na mantikaon. Tubigo na lang. So, blihan na ni may mga regalo.
Ako niya na.
Ha? Yan na tayo. Ah! Jessica mo na excited, guys. Saan mo na mataas? Saan mo na excited?
So guys, this is the final part when my sister's gonna open her treat. So Kininya, how do you feel?
Excited?
Atong tanawon. Atong tanawon. Na, kinsa ng gift kay?
Mama.
Ha?
Mama.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what did you get me? I knew it. I could feel from the box. I found the box like, what do you think it is? It's a watch.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
No. Yeah, I could feel it.
Hindi
Tananay!
na niya kanya.
Oh my god.
Why? Why?
What is this? Kami niya wala soon. Ma, is this a prank? Is this a prank?
It's a prank.
Please. Oh, it's a person. What the film eh? Oh, it's a person.
Last one, wala
Really?
nang kain.
Yeah, and we got that.
Yan
Oh, yeah? Abi na kukuhan.
Butangan na.
Rilo.
But it's not your birthstone. It's not a birthstone? Why?
Because there's no red there.
That's so nice.
Masam tayo birthstone.
Kuhan ba na? Kay kuhan?
Just pull it.
Yan, kuhan na.
Oh.
Pwede mo na siya makuhan. Ilisa ni mo, huwag na pang resibo, di ba guys? So comment down below guys kung pwede ba siya may ilisan, huwag na pang resibo. Gibadlong ko ni Jessica guys. Sabat na
Oh.
ko.
You
Oh,
took
they
it
got
out.
this.
Duyan na. Iwas ko sana isa ka maura.
So Ana Banana guys, she knows all of things, she knows everything, she knows
I have a real
a lot.
person.
A lot of too much. Ana Banana, guys, is the director, and she's the author,
Because it's fake.
and she's for everything for us. So ano na siya gift, guys, kay she's turning on 18. Happy birthday!
Guys, when I got my sister, I used my own money to buy her a gift.
Oh, really?
From Papa.
Oh no!
It's yours. It's yours.
Yeah! Na-na-na-na! Na-na-na-na!
I know what it is.
Dagan na natin
I
ito.
know what it is.
Na-na-na-na!
I forgot for the package.
Na-na-na-na!
Oh.
Hanggang sana! That's so cute.
Look, it's a pear. Yeah.
And it's so cute. It's so cute.
Okay, last but not least.
Last but not the least, guys. Kangkin sana. Kangkin sana.
Papa, guys.
Oh no! From Just Black One, guys. Sponsor from Just Black One. Woohoo! I told you guys. Just Black Ones. So
Nakapili ko.
keep on subscribing, guys, and
Buti mo yung
comment down below. Put your some likes. So
I love this, bro. I finally have a real bracelet. We're just everywhere. Not really. Stapler. Ay, really ko naman lipstick.
Magbagli ang bag.
di man siya mag-public. Okay, yeah. You can sakay.
Close your
You
eyes.
can
Why?
zip, unzip, and zip.
Ah, okay. Go. If I even like it.
Ding 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 ding.
Wait lang.
Ding ding ding.
Oh, really? Oh, di mo kita?
Ding ding ding. What is that?
Wait, that's my box. That's my gift.
From Just Black Ones. Brought to you from Just Black Ones.
So, okay.
Whoa! A bag? A literally talking
What? Oh no!
Why?
Ganahan ka sa color. Nice color.
I know, even I like your condos. Nani ko ando?
Kaya pili ka doon, siguro naka-sling.
No, usara yung sling. Oh, really? Just that
Look
one.
na siya, try na siya.
You don't have any other bags. Literally. For real. Freaking guess, bro, from mama.
That's Ana Banana's concept, guys. That's one of her advice.
Guys,
That color and design is just she pick it mata, guys. She pick up with herself
gonna want it.
Yeah.
I know.
because
Oh
it
my gosh.
seems like they're apparently
Guys,
Twins.
twins.
no, we're doing so. Can you open it?
Yes, yes.
Eh.
Wait, how do you make it long? Oh, there you go, there you go. Wait, stop.
Wala na, wala na. Leo. Wala mo na itong Leo.
Oh yeah?
Are you sure okay na
Oh,
na?
really? Okay, right? You like it?
Okay na?
Bawal ang putya mo da.
I know. She knows. Wait, let me see my phone. Let me see myself.
From Just Vlog 1. Ayan. Why is so grumpy, Kai? You're live, Just Vlog 1. Hey, guys.
Really nice. I almost picked the other color. But the
Hi,
other
Jess.
color
Hi, so grumpy.
is different. I got a mic, of course. And also this.
So, let's get... Alright. Sum up the gift. So guys, that's all for today. May minaw ta sa speech sa ato ang birthday celebrant. So, what can you say, Holiday?
Well, guys, why do I have to do this?
Do it!
Don't laugh at me. Guys, I'm finally 18, which is supposed to be an adult. You know, we're gonna go to uni and have to save money and stuff.
Tanan na to. Mupadong tana, guys. Jessica, remember that someday you'll be one of us. So, enjoy the moment.
Yeah, guys, just enjoy.
Yeah, just enjoy a moment. So, that's all for today. Don't forget to
Bye.
Subscribe to